Welcome to beautiful Port Ludlow, Washington. Have I got a unique property to show you today? This amazing property is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for the buyer looking for a home-based business or a magnificent artist or craftsman workshop with additional acreage. For the past 30 years, this property has served as the home and business for Kristine's Cabinets, where the owners created masterful custom cabinet sets for the entire Olympic Peninsula. The property is their home, as well as the Cabinet Shop and Showroom. The main structure is 3,120 square feet with luxurious but unconventional living space and a showroom as well. These pocket doors separate the showroom and office from the living space. This is the beautiful parlor, serving as the center, the hub of the living space. Next up is the generous chef's kitchen, complete with an island with tons of storage, custom cabinetry throughout, beautiful countertops, wonderful views out of the windows, newer appliances. What a beautiful place to entertain. Off to the side of that is another flex room that can be used as an office or an additional bedroom. That's up to you. This takes us to the unconventional great room. This room serves as the dining room, the living room, and a bedroom. It has a wood stove for comfort and heat, as well as a mini split for air conditioning in the summer, a little extra heat in the winter. There's a TV that comes up out of this cabinet. Stepping outside, you've got a great entertaining deck. This will be a beautiful place to serve dinners in the summer, maybe have some music and entertain your clients. Now, as we go through the parlor again, we find the bathroom, beautifully appointed. Then there's the utility room with custom cabinets and lighting. And that takes us down to where the magic happens. This is the 1,600 square foot shop area. High ceilings, great lighting. The machinery that's there is negotiable. If you need it, you can get it. If you don't need it, you can put your own stuff in there. Now let's look around a little bit outside. You've seen a beautiful deck, greenhouse, garden space, terraced gardens, some space out here that if you wanted to have music, certainly not a problem. It's got a large chicken coop and room for equipment or parking to run your business. In addition to this, you've got two nearly 4-acre parcels ready to build. Oh yeah, did I mention? You also get a climbing wall. Good times. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you with the answers. Give your realtor a call today. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And as always, thanks for watching, everybody.